Hi, does your wiring protect you from electric shock? This is my simple question. The answer is also as simple as that. Come on, let's test that out. Buy a 2-pin plug, purchase a male half of the male-female set. Buy a holder and some wire. Then connect the holder to the plug. Take any bulb from home, not a 0 watt, just a little more, and put it in the holder. Choose a convenient 5-pin socket in the house. The upper larger of this is earth. Take a line tester and poke others to see which one is the face. The tester lights up on the face. Most likely, this will be on the right side unless the wiring is wrong. Put the plug between earth and face as I show here and switch on. Sometimes you may have to move a little. Did the bulb blink and go off? Then you will be protected. Or does it continue to burn? Sure, your wiring won't save you in an event of electric shock. Quick, test your wiring. Detailed instruction on how to make the wiring safe is coming soon on my channel. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell button. Don't miss that video.